What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Those of you who've been with me know what this garage used to look like when we first bought this house. Now I'm going to tell you about this today. But first, I'm going to show you what this garage looked like when we first bought the house.
But I'd like it to be a little brighter. I don't know about you guys, but I like seeing what I'm doing. Overall, the lighting's okay in here for an average garage. How's that built?
Now it is still a mess because I'm organizing and I'm doing all kinds of stuff today. But the purpose of this video, after I show you what the garage looked like. Now that you've seen what the garage looked like when we first bought the house, it's came a long way. I've done a ton of work. I mean, just look at this. Look, tons of engines and stuff been torn apart on this bench. I decided to buy 2 sets of these wall hanger, whatever you call them. I bought them. This is a super sweet kit. I got 2 kits. And the blue and the red, anything in blue and red comes with the kit. This stuff right here, I had. So each kit comes with 3 trays, 2 shelves, a small one and a big one. Comes with a ton of these hooks. I mean a crap ton of hooks. All this stuff. And this company sells other items that you can hang on this shelf. And they will work with any other wall hanger. Like I got these at Lowe's. I've had these for a long time and never used them because they were for my cart over there. I never used them, but now I can use them because I rolled that cart around and everything would fall off. So I want to tell you guys, this kit is worth it. And I'll have a link down in the description below. And now this company does not know about me. They do not know about this video. They did not sponsor me in any way. I bought these 2 kits with my own money. And I really like it. I just spent the time to put it up today. We're really organizing. And I'm going to put my power tools up here. Now, if any of you know about this kit or kits similar, and there's something that you think I should have up there, definitely let me know. Also, I will be working on something for my Patreons because my Patreon page is growing. And I want to, show you guys some love. So, I'm really, man, I've been having a hard time coming up with an idea so that when I'm filming in here, everybody can see the names and stuff. And I'm really having a hard time coming up with some cool idea. So if you guys can help me out, definitely let me know on an idea. I know we've talked about it before, but never really found a good idea. Now, I'm going to be working on getting a lathe because I want to start making my own bushings for the CF Motos. And there's a few other things that I want to start making. And I think it would be really cool to have not a big lathe, but a nice size lathe so I can do all kinds of stuff. And I do want to thank you guys for following me and watching me and liking, sharing, subscribing, doing all that cool stuff you guys do. I've been really enjoying all the comments, and my channel is taking off pretty good. We're almost to 6K subscribers already, and we're doing really good. I got like 640 videos, I think. A lot of videos. Now, some of those videos aren't that good because, well, I started out, I didn't know anything about cameras and footages and GoPros and editing and all that. But we have been getting a lot better at editing and everything else. And it's all thanks to you guys because you guys motivate me to do this stuff. Even the haters, especially the haters. The haters really motivate me. I really... Just like somebody told me the exhaust wouldn't work on the side-by-side. Well, no offense, but I proved you wrong. So, yeah. If I had a nickel for every time somebody told me I couldn't do something, I'd be rich. But definitely check that out. That thing looks sweet. You know, I hung it. It's hillbilly. I'm going to be cleaning that wall up. I'm going to be taking it and moving more, putting more all the way down that wall. And then I'm thinking about putting some on that wall over there. And possibly on that wall over there. And then I want to do some like permanent shelves for my oils and all of that stuff. Check out my oils. I got stock. I'm stocked up on everything. Like literally, I have everything in stock for these CF Moto machines. Like bolts and nuts and, well, I got the prefix lift kit that I got to do, but we can't do that until we do bushings on the Z-Force. I got oil catch cans. I got wheel spacers. I got everything. So I got a lot of stuff that I want to organize. Heck, I got the old Z-Force steering wheels. If anybody needs one, let me know. I'll sell it to you for 20 bucks plus shipping. I got all kinds of too much stuff. I got freaking tie rod ends. I got ball joints. I got too much. But you might need it someday. I got wheel bearings. But I'll be getting this thing organized. I'm really happy and proud of how it's coming and turning out. I know it doesn't look like much to you guys, but to me, this is my first ever garage and I'm super proud of it. And with the help from you guys, it's just been amazing. This whole YouTube journey has been super awesome and I'm super proud of it. And I'm super excited to talk to you guys and comment back and forth with you guys and talk with you in the DMs and the live streams and all that stuff. I really can't express how much it really means to me. You know, my whole life, I never really talked to many people. I just kind of stuck to myself. And I'm telling you right now, if I had videos for a quarter of some of the stuff that I used to build and do, that me and my cousin Ronnie, you guys been seeing a little bit of him. He's camera shy, but he's coming around and he's really helping me out with the YouTube channel, which is why I've been helping him out so much on his side-by-side. It's kind of, you know, scratch my back, I scratch yours. He's been helping me a lot, and that means a lot. So we've been kind of helping each other on everything. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of him, and hopefully as we grow, maybe he'll become more part of the channel. We'll see how that goes, and maybe we can build some more cool stuff. I'm trying to get it set up in here because I want to do a custom buggy build. I want to do something badass, custom buggy build. I have the room here. I have all the equipment I need. The welder, the pipe bender, drill press. I got the bandsaw. I got literally everything we need to do a sweet ass buggy build. I even have rims and tires. The only thing I don't have is the metal, an engine, and a transmission. That's all I don't have. But I'm not going to do it until I can maybe get a welding table. I want to get a nice welding table. That way everything's straight and aligned and everything. But those are expensive, so it's going to be a long time. But I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for everything and show you guys this awesome organizer. Some of you guys might want something like this for your home garage. Even if you got a little shed or something. Something like this would save room. And I didn't even know these existed. I knew I could get the cardboard pegboard. But I was like, you know, every time I go to somebody's garage that has that stuff, it's falling apart. And these are metal. Even all the hangers and the shelves are all metal. I thought they were plastic. I didn't read the listing. I just seen that it said metal pegboard. That's all I was interested in. But then it showed up. And the only thing that's plastic is the little trays. It's super nice. But I want to thank you guys for watching this short one. Peace out and God bless. Please smash that like button, that subscribe button, and that share button, and click the bell. It really helps the channel grow. The more likes, the more comments, the more views, the better we can grow. YouTube algorithm really sucks, and that's just the way it works. Thank you guys. Peace out and God bless.